boys and girls. Today is March 23rd, and I just want to go over some things with you. You know, Mrs. Hurston and Mrs. Charles misses you guys a lot, but we want everybody to be safe, so that's why I have to come to you via video. Now, we're going to do some reviewing today for our language activity. We're talking about singular and plural nouns, and if we remember, singular means one, and plural means more than one. And if it's plural, we add something to the end of that word. Do we remember what it is? I think you might be saying S, and if you did, it is correct. And then we also have special nouns that we don't even add an S to, but the word changes completely. So we'll go over that later. Now let's go back to singular and plural. Now, remember that we're using the noun and changing it, okay? So if it's one noun, we say a girl. Or if it's more than one, we say three, what? Is it table or tables with an S? I know you know the correct answer is tables. Now, before we move on any further, let's go over what a noun is. And I know you remember, we've done this many, many times over. A noun names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. So we're going to go and play a game called concentration that's going to tell us all about nouns. Are we ready? Concentration. Categories. Names of all nouns. One apiece and no repeat. Are you ready? Let's go. Boy, girl, chair, desk, table, car, and you keep going. And by the time we're done, everybody should have a noun. Good. Now, so we're going to take that noun and we're going to figure out if it should be add an S or we don't have add an S. So we're doing something called subject and verb agreement. And we know that the subject is the naming part and the predicate is the telling part. We know that we have to do that in order to make sure that our work is correct. Now, it's very important that we do that before we move on. Now, the next thing we have to think about is, what are we going to put? I walk or walks home from school? You tell me what the correct answer would be. Or she walk or she walks with me to school. Which is going to be the correct answer, okay? Now, you're going to look at Reader's Notebook, Volume 1, page 129. And if you've done it already, then you're going to just review that page, and maybe mommy and daddies or brother and sister can help you to find some other nouns that you can make mean more than one or one. Now, remember earlier, Ms. Hurston talked about other nouns that are also special that sometimes we don't add an S to. So if, for instance, you can have, we don't say a man, three mans. No, we change it now. We say one man, many